Were you aware that chewing parsley can eliminate bad breath, and is the reason why restaurants use them as a garnish on the side of your meal? Parsley is native to the Mediterranean region and has been cultivated for more than 2,000 years. It is a leafy herb in the carrot family that grows like a small shrub. Parsley has a fresh green aroma and flavor that is a combination of citrus, clove, and nutmeg, creating a unique taste. Parsley will flower in its second year with circular clusters of white flowers sitting atop thin stems. It grows best in cooler climates where the summers don't get too hot or humid and thrives in rich, moist soil. This herb does well in containers and in garden beds. Parsley is a cut and come again herb, which means each time you harvest it, it will grow back. But make sure to cut at the base near soil level. This will increase your yield and the health of the plant. Parsley grows well with corn, tomatoes, and asparagus. It attracts many beneficial insects, including hoverflies, whose larvae feed on aphids, thrips, and other harmful insects. Parsley is considered to be a powerhouse of nutrients. It is often considered one of the pound-for-pound most nutrient-dense edible plants. It offers many beneficial vitamins, minerals, volatile oils, and antioxidants. It contains vitamins A, B, C, and K, along with minerals potassium, iron, and copper.